In this video, I show you how to fix menu recent button not working on Samsung Galaxy phone. For solving this problem, go to settings, then go to display, scroll down, then tap on navigation bar. Now tap on swipe gesture. Now tap on again buttons. I hope that this method fix your problem. If this method not working, then tap on search settings, search for reset, tap on reset, tap on reset again. Now tap on reset accessibility settings, reset settings, enter your lock screen password or pin code, then tap on reset. Now I hope that this method fix menu recent button not working problem on Samsung Galaxy phone.